మరి ఆ వివరాలేంటో తెలుసుకుందాం.
The concept of the pH and the problems which are related to the pH. And in almost all question papers they are asking one simple problem which is basing upon pH, and the problems are also very simple because we have only basically one fundamental formula is there for the pH, and the pH is basically to express the concentration of acids or else even the bases also, and pH scale it was given by Sorensen. Now coming towards how we are defining the pH. The pH is basically defined as negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration, and we should express the hydrogen ion concentration in terms of so many number of moles per liter, and the base is to 10. So we can say that the pH is defined as a negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration, wherein we are expressing the concentration in terms of moles per liter, and that will be to base 10 for us now. Or mathematically we can write one more way for the same thing only, that is to say it can be written like this also, log 1 by H plus also we can write, and to base 10 for us now. Both are mathematically equivalent terms here, but we define fundamentally negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration as the pH. Now the pH, there are some more similar terms, something like pH we have. Suppose you have hydroxyl ion concentration, there we can use the term even the POH also, which is called minus or given by minus of log OH minus ion here. Similarly KW is there, so we have even PKW also, which is called minus of log KW, where KW is called ionic product of water, and this value will be constant at a given temperature, and the value of KW, as we know, it is equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power of minus 14, so many moles square per liter square we have. And then Ka is there, similarly we have pKa also, that is minus of log Ka, and Kb is there, similarly we have pKb also, minus log Kb we have now. So these are the similar terms which are almost all same as that of pH for us now. Basically these terms will be used while calculating the concentration pH values of acids, weak bases, and so on and so forth. Now here there is one more relation between the pH and pOH of a given solution that can be derived basically from the Kw value only. That is to say, Kw is known to us, which is equal to 10 to the power of minus 14 we have, and Kw is ionic product of water, which is also equal to hydrogen ion concentration into hydroxyl ion concentration we have, which is equal to 1.0 10 to the power of minus 14 we have. So now when you take minus of log on both sides, that is minus log of H plus and then OH minus, which is equal to minus of log 1.0 10 to the power of minus 14. This is equal to minus log H plus minus log OH minus. That minus log H plus, that can be written as pH for us, that is minus log H plus is pH. Similarly minus log OH minus here, that is minus log OH minus, that can be written as POH, that is minus log OH minus we have, that we are writing in the form of POH for us. And mathematically this value is equal to minus log 10 power minus 14, because log 1 is equal to 0, so minus log 10 power minus 14, which is equal to finally 14 for us. So we have a relation like this, that is a pH plus POH is equal to 14. This is for any aqueous solution we have. This formula will be used whenever pH is given to calculate POH of a solution, or as whenever POH is given we can get the value of pH using this relation. So these are the fundamental relations which we have. Basing upon this, for different acids, bases, mixture of acids and then bases, we can now calculate the pH values of the various solutions. So we'll start one by one like this. That is, first of all we'll take up only acids and coming towards only bases, then mixture of acids, then mixture of bases, and finally coming towards mixture of acids and then bases. Like that we will take up one by one regarding the calculation of the pH values of the various solutions. So we have defined what is the meaning of pH, that is a negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration, as well as we have defined what is the meaning of pOH, pKW, pKa and pKb. Now using these relations we have to calculate the pH value of various solutions. That is, it will be first of all only acids when H plus ion concentration is given, then coming towards bases when OH minus ion concentration is given, then mixture of two acids, then mixture of two bases we have, then mixture of acids as well as bases we have. Means various categories we need to calculate. So one by one we will take up the category wise the examples. So now first of all the pH, whenever the concentrations of acid or else the hydrogen ion concentration is given to us. The simplest problem we will take up first, that is to say, suppose hydrogen ion concentration is given like this. So the question will be like this: calculate pH of the following solutions. Now here the first category we are taking, wherever here first in the acids we have two cases now. They may give us directly the concentration of H plus, that is when hydrogen ion concentration is given. That is one case we have now. Sometimes they will give us, that is when the concentration of acid is given. In some cases the concentration of acid given and the hydrogen ion concentration both will be same. That actually depends upon the protosity of the acid. And second case or third case we can say when certain weight of acid dissolved in water, certain weight of acid dissolved in water, that is in certain volume of water, we can say in certain volume of water. So when certain weight of an acid dissolved in certain volume of water is given to us. So these are the three different cases which we come across regarding the calculation of the pH value for acids for us. So first we will take up this one, that is to say directly when hydrogen ion concentration is given, how to calculate the pH value of a solution. So let us take first one, A. Say concentration of hydronium ion is given to us as say 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 molar. Now for this how you are calculating? They are given directly the concentration of H3O plus, that is hydrogen ion concentration or else hydronium ion concentration, both are exactly same. So they are given as hydronium ion concentration. Now apply the fundamental formula, which is pH is equal to minus of log H plus, that is equal to minus log. So in the place of H plus we are writing this term, that is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3, which is equal to minus log 5 minus log 10 to the power of minus 3. This minus log 10 power minus 3 is equal to minus of minus 3 log 10. So which is equal to this I am writing now here in the first, that is minus this minus sign I have. So minus 3 log 10 here, and this I am taking here, this is minus log 5, which is equal to minus of minus plus here, and log 10 is equal to 1. Therefore this value becomes equal to 3 minus log 5, which is equal to 3 minus log 5. We need to see in the tables, logarithmic tables books will be given to us. In the tables we can see. So value of log 5 will be 0.6990 there. So it is 3 minus 0.6990. The value comes to finally 2.3010. This is the answer for this one. So let us see once again. So they are given directly the hydronium ion concentration of an acid is given, as 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 molar solution. So we have taken the formula for pH, which is minus of log H plus we have, and then that is equal to, we are substituting in the place of H plus the value of 5 10 to the power of minus 3 here, and then this is minus of log 5 we have, and then this is minus sign here, minus of minus log 10 to the power of minus 3. So this we brought here now. So with this minus sign as it is there now.